So a good place to find information about different dog breeds is the American Kennel Club. They have a very good website to find out different information like dog breeds and products to take care of your dog, like food, and they can also recommend different breeders and places that you can get a dog. So it's a very helpful site if you explore. Here's like how you get to breeds. They have a quiz where you can find what kind of dog breed is good for you. Here's view all breeds. Here is, it's in alphabetical order, so you can choose a breed that interests you and go under and just, it'll give you all the information. They have a video and they have different characteristics, and it's just very useful if you want to find out information about dogs.